News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Abhishek and with me is Renu Kataria.
Today we will be discussing about some vacancies in Indian Rubber Manufacturers Research Association, National Brain Research Centre, Ministry of Culture National Museum, Antrix Corporation Limited, National Institute of Science Education and Research, Department of Agriculture Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Directorate of Estates, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Banaras Hindu University, Ministry of Defence, Films Division Mumbai, and Indian Institute of Management Shillong.
Indian Rubber Manufacturers Research Association IRMRA invites applications from Indian nationals for filling up of one post of Assistant Director Commercial on direct recruitment. Applications should be duly signed and affixing the latest passport-size color photograph along with self-attested copies of the testimonials or documents should be sent to the concerned authority by registered or speed post only. As a special case due to COVID pandemic, IRMRA is accepting application through email and the same to be sent on info@irmra.org. Closing date regarding receipt of applications will be 15 days from the date of advertisement. Applications received after closing date will not be entertained and will stand rejected. All further announcements or details will only be published or provided on IRMRA's website, that is www.irmra.org from time to time.
National Brain Research Centre NBRC, an autonomous institute of Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, invites applications for one post of Senior Engineer on direct recruitment or deputation, including short-term contract. Terms and conditions and application form are available at website www.nbrc.ac.in. Last date of receipt of application is 9th October 2020. Last date for candidates domiciled in northeastern states, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir is 24th October 2020.
Ministry of Culture, National Museum, New Delhi invites applications from eligible officers for one post of Additional Director General. Applications in duplicate should reach the concerned person through proper channel within a period of 60 days from the date of publication of advertisement in the employment news. The details regarding eligibility conditions, educational qualifications and experience, application form, recruitment rules, etc. attached to the post are available on the website of the ministry at www.indiaculture.gov.in.
Antrix Corporation Limited, a wholly owned Government of India company under the administrative control of Department of Space, Antariksh Bhavan Campus, Bengaluru, invites application in hard copy for one post of Manager Finance. For detailed information on educational qualification, post-qualification, experience and age limit, kindly visit website www.antrix.co.in. Last date of receipt of application is 12th October 2020.
Applications are invited from eligible Indian citizens for recruitment of one post of Finance Officer on deputation basis in National Institute of Science Education and Research NISER, Bhubaneswar, an autonomous institute under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. The application form, complete in all respect, duly forwarded by the competent authority along with self-attested copies of relevant certificates in support of educational qualifications, age, caste, experience and CR dossiers, etc. must reach in the sealed envelope to the recruitment cell at the address on or before 16th November 2020 through registered post or speed post only. Application form and detailed advertisement are available at NISER official website, that is www.niser.ac.in.
Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare proposes to fill up one post of Scheme Officer in the Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare on composite method, deputation including short-term contract plus promotion. Complete advertisement, biodata format and certificate format, etc. can be downloaded from the Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare website www.agricoop.nic.in. The application along with required documents may be forwarded to the concerned person within 60 days of the publication of the circular in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Applications not forwarded through proper channel or those received without the requisite certificates and necessary documents will not be entertained.
The Government of India, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Directorate of Estates proposes to fill up one post of Assistant Director of Estates Litigation on deputation basis. For details relating to eligibility, requisite qualifications and experience, duties attached to the post, age limit and other terms and conditions, etc., applicants may visit the Directorate of Estates website, that is estates.gov.in. The last date for receipt of complete applications will be 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News.
Online application forms are invited from Indian citizens for the post of Director, IMS, Medical Superintendent and Deputy Medical Superintendent in Banaras Hindu University. The details of the post, essential qualifications, general instructions, etc. to the candidates may be seen on the recruitment portal of the website www.bhu.ac.in/RAC. Last date for online submission of application form. Application fee payment is 30th September 2020. Last date for submission of downloaded application form along with the enclosures is 3rd October 2020.
Applications are invited for filling up of one post of Planning Officer System in Ministry of Defence, New Delhi on deputation or re-employment basis. Circular for this vacancy along with application form and other eligibility conditions are available at website www.mod.nic.in. The application in the prescribed format, complete in all respects, along with the supporting documents as required in the circular, may be sent through proper channel within 2 months from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar.
Films Division of India proposed to fill up one post of Director General, General Central Service in Films Division, Mumbai, which is a subordinate office under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The post is to be filled by deputation, including short-term contract, from amongst the officers under the central or state government or union territory administration or universities or recognized research institutions or public sector undertakings or semi-government or statutory or autonomous organizations. It is requested that the applications of the officers who are eligible and can be sparred immediately in the event of their selection may be sent to this ministry in duplicate through proper channel in the proforma addressed to Director Films, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, room number 122-C, A Wing, Shastri Bhavan, New Delhi 110001, along with their biodata and up-to-date confidential reports or APARs of last 5 years within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News.
Indian Institute of Management, Shillong invites application for one post of Resident Medical Officer on contract. For further details, please visit website www.iimshillong.ac.in. The post is to be applied online through recruitment portal of the institute. The last date for online application is 30th September 2020.
Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday.
And with this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.